Meow. So I thought this was a really cute little pose of this little cat licking itself. I'm not sure if it's a kitten or an adult cat. It looks a little kittenish. Just working out the shape of the head. And that first wonderful paw that's up in the air. Please let me know in the comments what you do want to learn about drawing cats, because that's where I get my ideas for videos. And I love to hear from you too. Just getting a suggestion of a tail in there. This can be a challenging perspective. And that snout. Muzzle, I guess. Got a lot of lines in there to start with, and now I'm kind of reinforcing the ones that I like. And the other ones, some show through, and they just add tone and movement to the drawing. And if I want to, I can tone them down with an eraser too, since I am working in charcoal and it is somewhat erasable. This charcoal anyways, the soft vine charcoal is totally erasable. For me anyways. So I'm just kind of pondering before I put those eyes in. Placement of eyes is really important, as I'm sure you know. Oh yes, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. We would love to have you there if you really are serious about drawing cats, and you will find the link for that group in the video description below. Just getting those features in just gently and one step at a time. Oh, that's the tongue. The tongue's coming. It's so cute, that little tongue sticking out. So I draw really fast at first just to get that gesture in, but once I start, adding the odd little detail, then I really slow down and think about just how I want to tackle it. Not that I'm not thinking about it in the other beginning method, but I guess it's a different sort of thinking. It's more of a feeling. I love the toe beans. I just like to get those lines in on first thought, just the first feeling. Oh yes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, hit that little bell, because there's lots more cat drawing videos coming. Really aiming for rhythm in this drawing. The flow. I want my flowing lines to really unify. So I kind of just aim for the same feeling each time I put down a line. Took me a long time to learn that. Learned it on my own. Just help those toe beans stand out a little, hey? Because they're kind of what's special about this drawing, the toe beans and the tongue. Thank you so much for watching today, and I sure hope to see you in the next video. Meow.